Dupes for the world's most expensive face creams. And just before you think I'm going to talk about La Mer, Augustinus Bader or a Prairie line of Estee Lauder, no my loves. Today we're going to orbit in the galaxy of luxury skincare. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 most expensive creams in the world, and I will give you their dupes. Dupes that match 70 to 80% of the original cream purely based on the ingredients. This way you can enjoy a good cream, have the benefit of the ingredients, and you don't have to sell your house or your kidneys. Let's get started, but before that, if you're enjoying this content, do consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also, the September giveaway is going on. 2 lucky subscribers are going to win skincare boxes worth 10,000 rupees or 500 dirhams. There will be questions that will appear on the screen throughout the video. Take a good look at them and give me your answers in the comments below. Also look at the previous videos that have been coming last few weeks, because in order to really qualify, you need to have participated in all the videos. Now let's get started. In 30 seconds, let me quickly tell you how do you evaluate the ingredient list of any brand, any cream, serum product that you're reviewing. Number 1, you always look at the full ingredient list. Number 2, you will start from the first to the last because the ingredients are listed in the order of the concentration of those ingredients. Remember that most creams, serums, products pretty much have the same emulsifiers, same emollients, and similar preservatives. It is within all of that mixture do we really need to figure out what are the ingredients that actually have skincare benefits and what is it that makes this product really special. Now let's get started. We're going to start with the most expensive one. Obviously, this is by the brand La Prairie. It is the La Prairie Cellular Cream Platinum Rare. This retails for $1,750 US. La Prairie cream is clearly marketed as an anti-aging cream, and it has some great ingredients to support this claim. It's got squalane, glycerine, hyaluronic acid, a whole bunch of root extracts. It also has got peptides, which are fantastic for lifting and plumping your skin, sort of helping with the loose, sagging skin. But this is $1,750. So I really wanted to get you a dupe. But given the fact that I had to match all of these ingredients and the peptides, I wasn't able to get it in one cream, so I came up with a solution. I came up with a serum and a cream, together which they will not cost you more than like $120 as compared to $1,750, and you will get literally the exact same benefits. In fact, you will get something more. Now let me tell you about the dupe, because I know you've been waiting for it. So the dupe for this is the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream, which costs about $81. Now the top 2 ingredients in the cream, in the La Prairie cream, was squalene and glycerine, and they also feature in the ingredient list, and squalene is literally ingredient number 3 on the ingredient list of the Sunday Riley cream. And what is ingredient number 2, you may ask? It is something even better. It is actually red algae extract, and I know a lot of the world in skincare is going goo goo gaga after La Mer because it has got algae extracts. Now well, here you got your algae extracts, plus you got your squalene, you've got ceramides in this cream, you've got hyaluronic acid, you've got glycerine, you've got all of that goodness along with almond oil extract, seed extracts, flower oils. There is so much going on in the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream at $81 that it is a steal, and I think it is a perfect dupe. But what about the peptides? Remember we spoke about the peptides? So this is my solution for you. The first product that you're going to apply is going to be the Ordinary's BEAUTÉ Copper Peptide Serum, because that has a blend of nearly 6-7 different type of peptides. That is going to give your skin the peptides it needs, and then you're going to go in with your Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Cream for the rest of the hydration and the anti-aging benefits. Together they will cost you about $120. $120 versus $1,750. Huge difference. And this can be such an amazing anti-aging combination because you've got your peptides, you've got your squalene, and you're good to go. So this, my friends, was dupe number 1 for the La Prairie Cellular Cream Repair Platinum Rare. Now the second most expensive cream in the world is the one I cannot pronounce because it is so French. So the name is here and the picture is here. You go figure. This is a brand that is owned by Shiseido, and this cream retails for $953. You will be shocked to see the ingredient list. actually not just now, even throughout the video. The key ingredients, the first two that matter, I'm not going to be referring here to the emulsifier, the emollient, water, all of those things, because they don't matter. I'm only sticking to the key ingredients. The first two key ingredients are glycerine, squalene, then comes Paki shea butter extract. Now, what is the cream that is a dupe for this? And this one is a good one. It is a super close match with 7 ingredients matching identical and 3 ingredients being a close match. It is the BIOSSANCE Squalene Omega Repair Cream. This BIOSSANCE cream retails for $61 versus $950. You guys see it. And the ingredients are super similar, especially in the concentration, because the BIOSSANCE cream has squalene, glycerine, then comes the Paki shea butter. So it's a very close match to this amazing French $953 cream. And it is a close match on at least 3 to 4 other ingredients. When I say close match, it means it's not the exact same ingredient, but it is an ingredient that does pretty much the same thing. So you've got your second dupe here. It is the BIOSSANCE Squalene Omega Repair Cream for $61. That is a dupe for this super expensive $953 French cream. Third most expensive cream in the world has actually been on my personal wish list for many years. Not anymore, because now I have a dupe. It is by the brand Guerlain, and this is the Guerrilla Orchard Imperial Cream. This retails for $627, and you are a true skin-intelligent person if you've already guessed the first 2 ingredients. The first 2 ingredients are squalene, glycerine, and jojoba esters. Which is the other cream that actually has exactly the same ingredients in that order? It is the BIOSSANCE Squalene Omega Repair Cream, which also has squalene, glycerine, and it has got your jojoba esters, which is a 3 ingredient match on the first 10 ingredients of the formulation. But I was actually looking at the Guerlain formulation, which actually has orchid extracts, and the entire marketing, the packaging, everything about this brand is on the orchid extract. So I went ahead and did some research. I was like, what does orchid extract really do for the skin? This is what it does. It actually helps maintain skin's hydration. It can also work as a moisturizer and an emollient due to its high water binding capabilities. And which is the other ingredient that actually has the exact same capability? High water binding capability, retains moisture. It is your good old hyaluronic acid, which is present in the BIOSSANCE Squalene Cream. So, my dear friends, with 7 ingredients matching in high concentration and products that actually do pretty much the same thing, the BIOSSANCE Squalene Omega Repair Cream at $61 once again is a dupe. It is a dupe for the Guerrilla Orchard Imperial Cream. Now I'm obviously looking at my notes, so if that's disturbing you, I'm really sorry, but this is tough and this video took a lot of effort. So hit the like button if you appreciate the effort that I have made. Great, so we've completed cream number 3. Let's move on to cream number 4, and you will flip on the dupe of this, I promise. The 4th most expensive cream in the world is actually by the brand called Sisley. It is the Sisleya Integral Anti-Age Cream. This retails for $536. Now let me quickly take you through the ingredients, because I'm super excited to tell you the dupe. The first ingredient, the most important, is Paki shea butter. Then comes squalene, then comes glycerine, then comes sunflower seed extract and sucrose. Now let's look at the dupe, and you'll be super shocked. The dupe is the good old MISSHA. Yes, it is the Korean brand MISSHA, and it is their POLLEN Renew Cream. Now let's look at the ingredient list here. It is glycerine, squalene, Paki shea butter, so 3 are an exact match. Then you've got the exact same sunflower seed oil extract, which is a little lower on the ingredient list, but it's right there. You've got sucrose in Sisley, and here you've got POLLEN. Both of them have the same extracts, which is sucrose. Now this is super similar. In addition to that, they are common on the lavender oil extract. They have a whole bunch of other flowers and fruits which are pretty much doing the same thing. This cream is one of the closest dupes that I have found. The ingredients, the first 5 ingredients match pretty much exact, and this is your $40 or less, I mean if you get it on sale, your dupe for the $536 Sisleya Anti-Age Integral Anti-Age Cream. It is your MISSHA POLLEN Renew Cream. The fifth most expensive cream in the world is actually by Chanel. Yes, where was Chanel all this while we were talking expensive things? It is the Precision Sublimage Serum Essential Regenerating Cream. Wow, that's a lot of word. This retails for $461. And let's look at the ingredients. This has glycerine, jojoba seed oils, squalane, Paki shea butter, jojoba esters, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, all of that stuff. Which is the other cream that has all of that? It is the BIOSSANCE Squalane Omega Repair Cream. Exact same order of ingredients, squalane, glycerine, Paki shea butter. It also has jojoba esters, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, all of that good stuff. I swear I didn't do this on purpose, but this cream is literally 80% match on the key ingredients to the one from Chanel. I was super shocked to find BIOSSANCE literally feature in 3 of the dupes of the 5 most expensive creams in the world, and this was not on design, believe you me. I first actually narrowed down on the creams, and then I started working backwards looking at other creams and finding the dupes, and this sort of fit the bill every time. It's also because all of these creams literally had squalane and glycerine as their top ingredient, including Paki shea butter, which was a big common. I've personally never tried the BIOSSANCE cream, never got around to it, but I did make an order for it just before I shot this video. So I'm going to try about it and definitely give you my review in, I don't know, a month, 2 months, something like that. You know I take my own sweet time with reviews. So this, my friends, was the end of the video. If you want to see more dupes, leave me those in the comments below. Maybe together we can create a series around dupes. Also, you would have seen questions on the screen. They were the giveaway question. Leave me your answers in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you on Sunday. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye.